How to withdraw money from Coinbase to Revolut. Now, there isn't a direct way to withdraw your money from Coinbase to Revolut, but what you can do is withdraw your money from Coinbase to your bank account via wire transfer. And for that same bank account, you want to also link to your Revolut and add the funds there. So that's the way that we can do it. So to do this, simply open the Coinbase app and tap on the multiple dots icon from the top left, then go to Profile and Settings here. You'll find an option called Wire Transfer. So when you tap on Wire Transfer, you have two options: to deposit or to withdraw, right? Now, if you want to withdraw your money, then all you have to do is tap on Withdraw and just make sure you enter your routing number right here. So enter your 9-digit bank routing number so we can connect to your bank. So just go ahead and find your routing number. Then after that, tap on Continue and follow the instructions. The money will be transferred to your bank account, and that same bank account you could indirectly just link to your Revolut account to be able to withdraw the money directly to it. So I hope this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.